I don't know what's going on. I think me hear the lady I say something like they called the fire people them. Top of the morning to you. I'm having a cup of tea and some knockoff Oreo named Moo Max. Moo Max, is this something that I know? Moo Max, it's the knockoff Oreo. I mean, I bust down a honey bun. I don't know about you. Yeah, we know it's a prestige donut, nice, but I really like these, you know. Especially when them just make. My God, that is what we're having for breakfast. Are we going on the road today? Maybe not. I can't still not fix it. You know, say if me they have the right tools, me pull up that long time and gone tonight. Me and the mechanic in the butt, you know what I mean? Pull up that and gone there. So I just saw me stay from me the younger. Me they love pull down things and try fix it all if it never mash up. Couple tie car well, me pull up for no reason at all. Well, I guess me they want to know how we work. So me they go in it for like the motor and them thing there. So me mash up the tie car to take out the motor to make a fan.
Robot.
I'm reason we doing a little bit. You know, so I like the vlogging thing though. I like vlogging in there. You know, put as much stress on the creative side of your brain. Still, we are do creative things, you know, we are create all these sandwiches and all of that. But it's less stressing. I mean, I don't feel worry about if it gonna get demonetized and all of them foolishness because it's just me. I don't know. You know? I we are chill, I we are make sandwich, I may talk, I may tell you what they on my mind sometime and all of them like thing that we are go to beach and all of them like thing there. Yeah, so I like vlogging, man, and if you watch the vlog, then big up yourself, man. I appreciate that. Trust me. I really, really appreciate that. I should have stay consistent with the vlogs from like a longer time. But yeah, life happen. Life happen. What can you do? You have to just roll with the punches. So if today things not go right for you, worry man, one day it I go pick up. I don't know when, but one day it I go pick up. I go through it too, you know. We are hold it down, you know what I mean? We are push forward. Cause right now, sometimes wonder like, what the hell is on my back, man? Yo, them spider and them thing I love ramp with man in the United. I mean murder them. But I say sometimes wonder like what happened to me like a couple months from now. Alright man, if me see who walk around upon me dead, like 2 months from now, the problems them are gone are like still day night. And what I can say is that the decisions that you make today, they will affect where you will be next week, week after next, next month, next 2 months, 3 months, next 4 years, 5 years. So, you know, make smart decisions. I go and do my best for still, even though I not make no video, I still I try to keep my mind active and formulate ideas. And I've been working on something. So it's just to really, like me say, from I come out of my head and go up on my little white board, the next stage is execution. I want to tell you, say last week people, because I jump back in the Forex market. I think a week before last, I make a little analysis, you know. And the way how I trade supply and demand. That's how I trade, you know. And I haven't been in the market for quite some time. So when I jump back in the market now, I had made this analysis. Boom, this is the before. When I see on the screen, yeah, this is before. Now I enter my trade and I did manage to secure some pips off of this, but I had also closed one of my trades because I got emotional and I go look on the market and see say big blue candle just a shoot up at me and say blows and skirts, so it look like them done reap the supply zone, so it a go get knock you now. So me just come out I trade. Only if you see say the trade boom do this go right to the take profit. It sting a little bit. Nah lie, it sting a little bit, but we not dwell upon it. You know? You have to just make them things they happen in the market and go on your ways. But it sting. So this week now, I see a little one, another one that I look into. And when you reach that zone there, or if it goes back to the zone there, the supply zone, then I'm gonna take the trade and I'm gonna just chill. I think I have 2 trades running right now on AUD NZD because it is currently in a demand zone. That's how the big financial institutions, demand and supply, that's how for them thing there, you know. So that's how them buy and sell from the demand and the supply zone. So when time them a buy, that's how you want to go buy. I enough chatting that still. I go and sip my tea and drink my Moo Max. T-Bang stand off under influence. You don't know them tune, eh? Be a chatting and go on your son and me alone for doing chatting. Well off. There I do look a workout. Feeling a bit lazy. I'm say, yo, no, I gotta. Cause I supposed to start last week and I never start. So I'm there, so place look kinda out of it. Yeah. So yeah, I just do my little thing. Hey, you see story with the madman where foiled the robbery attempt? That's wild. My workout kinda half naked. I don't think YouTube I go. I don't want a chance with them. You understand? Yeah, so I'm going to finish what I do and then circle back like a turtle back. Feel like I'm getting a headache, but guess what? I'm going to push through the workout. It really is those days that you don't feel like doing nothing, but you end up doing it same way. You push through, you fight through, not being in the vibe, not having the energy, feeling like you're sick. Them days when you push through and do it same way, them days they really build something in you. For a muscle, build something mental. I don't know what I might do right now. I honestly don't know. I don't know what's going on, but we got some good vlog footage. Look like fire catch on the light post or on the light wire in a mango tree there, so, and then it must drop off and spark on the ground. I think me hear the lady say something like they called the fire people them already, and the police station is right around the corner there. So hopefully that not get too crazy before somebody come look on it. The firemen were indeed called. Now it has been about maybe half an hour since I left that place. But give thanks that they are going there. Hopefully that already gone. And, get a nice little swim. They do a little transition. But the clip I want to see it would have been before that. But they couldn't mash up the transition. I'm sorry. I remember when I was younger and them thing, I wish them live near beach and them thing. Thanks to that blessing, isn't it? For being able to live so close to the beach. Currently. You don't know when we have to move and then something. So I use a bit. You know what I mean? The best of it. My hand. That was fun. I think I'm gonna make a video home now and cook some food. So update on the trash situation. Remember I talk about that to people big up in? Well, them clean it up. See some black bags out in front so the trash gone. See like them light a fire. And never too safe for the grasslands that is here, but you know, the trash is gone. So big up on yourself to clean up the thing. Fun fact about this bucket. I find it on the beach a couple of months ago. And I have been using it ever since. Whenever I come here, I carry with me then in the car or in a trunk. Fully up with water for wash out foot and them things there. So I do my little part. I like a washer bucket. Full up with water for wash out my foot one time, eh? You know? Or catch a little splish splash. We'll always want the girls, boys. We'll always want the always want two girls. Ooh, oh, why don't you want my loving? Yeah, trash cleanup. Woo! We coming to stuff. We got the JP Syrian doing his part now. I look like, you know, the fire put out and all, so he's just securing and make sure say electricity turn off and all them thing there. So yeah, everything jiggy. And just like that, people, we have dinner, you know. Fried rice with some chicken. We got the eggs in there, you know what I'm saying? Got the tomatoes. We got the what that is right there. We got the sweet pepper. We got the carrots, and then of course we got some plantains right here. Yeah, like a beard now. Man, beard and clean. Food a bus. Yeah, plantain there too. That is it for the vlog, people. I'm gonna continue to have this. It's really tasty, man. Let's just say that. So, you know, until the next vlog, big up myself. I can't believe something good. Into the ocean with me hearing them and they no loss. God, it's good. So look more here, people.